This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower their guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya and Assam Governments held their second Chief Minister's level talks on the interstate boundary dispute in Guwahati yesterday. The meeting was a follow-up of the talks held on the 23rd of July last in Shillong. A detailed presentation was made by the Government of Assam on 6 areas of differences out of 12. The strategy that both the governments agreed to follow was to take up these matters in a phase-wise manner. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Konkal Sangma said that both the states have strong political will to find an amicable solution to these areas of differences. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that once the 6 areas of differences are resolved, both the states will move forward to resolve other areas of differences. In the next 30 days, the Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam will jointly visit the interstate boundary areas to send a message to the people that both the neighbouring states are keen to resolve all areas of differences. Nagaland Assembly Speaker Sharingain Longkumer adjourned the Nagaland Legislative Assembly sine after completing all the lists of business of the 2-day-long session yesterday. The House discussed on Nagaland-Assam border issue as a matter of urgent public importance. Discussion of post-COVID-19 economic recovery was also taken up as a matter of urgent public importance. Meghalaya reported 515 COVID-19 cases and 14 deaths due to the viral infection yesterday. 12 COVID-19 infected persons who died were not vaccinated, official records revealed. The number of fatalities due to COVID-19 reached 1,147 in the state, including more than 800 casualties in East Khasi Hills district. The number of active cases stands at 5,515 and recovered cases as 61,445. Till yesterday, the number of people vaccinated was 11,35,909. In Manipur, 757 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. 8 more COVID-19 positive persons, of whom only 2 had taken the first dose of the vaccine, expired due to viral disease. Also, 1,778 more COVID-19 patients recovered from the infection. In Nagaland, 110 COVID-19 positive cases, 1 death and 79 recoveries were reported yesterday. The total number of recoveries was 25,682 and the number of deaths due to the viral disease was 568. The number of active cases was 1,370 in Nagaland yesterday. The Meghalaya government hopes to achieve herd immunity against COVID-19 in the next 1 or 2 months since a large number of people have been vaccinated. Commissioner and Secretary of Health Department Sampath Kumar said around 45% of the state's population has been vaccinated. This is a significant change given the fact that the state was at the bottom of the list in terms of vaccination coverage in the past. In his first reaction since assuming charge of the Health Department, Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong ruled out fresh lockdown. However, he said that discussions will be held soon for new sets of restrictions and strategies to contain the spread of COVID-19. Mr. Tinsong appealed to the citizens to take care and get vaccinated as the situation is very grim. The Meghalaya government is likely to reopen colleges in the state after Independence Day, Education Minister Lakman Rimboy said yesterday. The government is hopeful of increasing the coverage of vaccination as currently around 10,000 people are being vaccinated every day. Mr. Rimboy said that the government wants to ensure a safe environment for the students before taking any call on resumption of offline classes. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.